Welcome to another video. I say make I type una dey try, una dey like, una dey share. Everything una dey do, they encourage me to do more. So if you never watched my previous video and you watch this one, I bet do me you go back and go watch them so that you go understand more of what I talk. So today na Python strings that we're going to talk about, and I don't fit talk with string mean. String mean say anything you put in quotes, anything where you put in quotes now is string. So like for this example, now this first example we won't look now like this. So I say I declare variable with the what I name first name. So inside that first name like this, I can put this string God's gift inside. So that's how we declare string like this. So you must put them in quote. Anything we make I run this thing we see. So if I play this thing, so I say don't run God's gift. Even if na number I put for here, let's say 22446. If you play on like this again, if you run them again, so I say na 22446 it go bring. But some of us go say, but na number it be like this now. But you know, remember the last time for our video, I tell us how to find the data type of any variable we create. So if I put first name here, so type first name. So if we run this thing again, you shall say it don't bring, it tell us say na string, now this thing be. So anything we did quote, na string. If I remove this stuff, this quotation now like this, run them again, shall say don't talk int. Int na what we refer to as integer. So now so they declare string. So you just write the name of the name or anything you want to put, just quote them, put for inside. So once anytime you run them like this, so that's string. That's what they declare string. Another thing we will still do is we still add two strings together. Yeah, I know it's not only numbers that they add. Is it possible to add two strings? Yes, it is possible. As long as they're the same data type, they add them together. As long as they're the same data type. But it is possible to add two strings together. So if we run this code now like this, or my tell now what I do. So this one are the first variable we create before. I just recreate them again, put God's gift for inside, then create another variable called last name, put my son name, that's Olumu, inside. So normally I can say okay, for this full name, we'll get the full name. I can say okay, God's gift, the first name plus the last name will give us full name. So if we run this code now together, you shall say it gives us the full name. But the only issue with there be say space not there. Because normally space supposed to there, maybe say go help us still understand what they do. So the next thing when I can't do another method maybe say I want to teach you now, which is I can say okay, full name is equals to the first name we will get, which is God's gift, plus then anything we see for Python like this, it means saying a space you they give. So I can say okay, plus space, and space na string. So I can say plus space plus the last name. So if we run this thing again, you shall say difference there. The first one we will do no space, the last one we will do shall say space down there. So it is more presentable, it is more readable for person to understand. Okay, so if we come up again, this one is just small trick what I want to teach you now. If you just say I want something to appear 4 times, 5 times, we play with this thing sometimes. So I just okay, make I just bring it here. Like if I run this code now, you see say it will print A 4 times. Any number you put for here, it go do one. So if I put 10 for here, run them again. So I go count and down. So this one I just common stuff we be say I just want maybe say we just know. So that some of us will use until play around. So you run them again, as I say, it will give us 4. Alright, so we'll go ahead. Now when you get statement or anything in string, you understand, you get them in many, but you want me you format, and there's what we call formatting. Most of us we do essay, you understand. So you want format or you say you want me everything come at a capital letter. Even when you do Word document, you write something that you like them, you say capital letter, may everything come in capital letter. So Python get you we say you fit still use, and the way we they use the one we for capital letter na upper that they call am, just do uppercase. So you write the text dot upper. This dot upper, once we go forward, I will begin to explain now. This one method we be say it is attached to string class. So if we do dot upper, you see what you go do, make I run am here. So I say this are test we be say what's up my people, how things be now. It don't convert everything to capital letter. It don't format everything to become capital letter. So now wait till this dot upper they do. Then also if we want maybe say everything will be lower letter and alphabet. So now dot lower now we dey use this dot lower. It will make everything lower alphabet. So if you look and wait it dey, you say what's up my people, how things be now. Make I make this one capital letter W so that when I go see am for that, because the way it be before. Now so okay, so when I run this again, okay, I run this again. See I say even if RW na capital letter for here, it don't make a small letter for here. So now so it dey, now so dot lower dey be. Then okay, you get the one wey I show now before. Make I tap am for here. You get the one wey we still dey call dot title. So make I say hashtag title. Then we'll print our test dot title. So if I comment this one comot and then run this cell. Now wetin dot title dey be say every word wey start the sentence, it go make a capital letter. So if you see now W capital letter, U capital letter, M capital letter, P capital letter. So now so 9 dot title they do. Okay, so sometimes again for Python, it gets sometimes we be say you go get some strings, and then the way they take dey, e not too dey okay like that. Like if you see this string now, you see space for here. See space for here, see space for here, see space for here. So the way this thing take dey like this now, if you know the pleasant, I say you talk, you know the more presentable. So you get what they call dot strict. Now method for Python when they attach to string. That method, what you go do be say they help you declare space. We get arrow strings, we get a strip, we get like left, that's right strip, left stripped. Anyway, way they will be say you want to use, but I like to use the full strip in case any space there in between will just come out. So if you print this stuff like this, you see the way they show. I think we're not gonna really get the clearer picture of this thing. So make I do something. That's if okay, see this grid plus time. That's why I say give us the better representation of how it be before. See the space where we say they the middle. See this thing. So if we do the length now of this thing, we will do the length. We will see how it be like. We will do the length. So if we run this thing again, so I say the length of this stuff now how many 26. Make I do print. May print still bring the stuff come back for us. Print. So you see the length of this stuff, this whole stuff with the length of am now 26. So it means say the text it count the spaces with the inside. So another way now we can do dot stripped. So if I comment this dot stripped. So what we can do, because okay, salute is equals to make it stripped this grid. Anything we be say this grid we be say not the okay like that, you understand? Not the presentable. Make it strip and come out the space when they make come out. Then you know say normally I better when I say with the add space so that it go be more presentable if we print two string together, if we add them together. Then the next thing again we can strip this time. So if we print a come out now like this, no say you say stripped salute is see what they bring come out. Make I come out this thing may not to distract us. Make I come out this stuff. May not to distract us. So if I print normal stripped, no see the way I arrange now. It is more presentable past the first line we did here like this, so more presentable. So now wait till this strip they do. So if we calculate the length now of this stuff, this strip, we'll calculate the length. You see I say the length now at 22. If I remove this, okay, run like this again. So the length now at 20 rather, sorry I said 22 before. The length rather than at 20. So you don't come more like 6 space we in there before we be there here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All the space we there 6, 7. So you don't come out all the space we there. You don't make a understand? Don't reduce the length. So now so stripped function they do. So the next thing we will go look now to find, now to use find. Like you won't find if any string they sentence or they inside the test. You understand? You won't find out. Say, oh, I won't check whether this thing did. You get one method that they call find. So find the help they look for sequence of any string inside maybe a test, a file, or anything. So, but for this find, it they print out the sorry, make mistake for it. It they print out the index of the first letter of the search. It they print out the index of the first letter of the search. Then also if you don't see the word for inside now -1 the answer. More run this code again is here. This thing are 12. Why we say they print out 12? We will find people. If we go back to our test, uh make I just copy the test, we can come back here more than the same. I copy the test. So if you go back to our test, if you count this our alphabet 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, space Genesis 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, supposed to be 12. I mean, I'm not counting our words. More count our word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the space 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then the space 12. So the first occurrence will be say they happen na P. So now then we will still find these people. So as we find out like this now, the answer will return na 12, meaning the index of the first word we start that way will be say we define. You understand? Now that place now it go bring come out. Now that value now they bring come out. So now you go say okay, now index 12 now find deal. So if for example now say this thing will define or con D. So how we will cut it down? So make we comment this thing come out. Make we run this code. So if I run now, so I go bring -1. As far as say boss, because if you see this thing, a boss not dey inside this our variable at all. No boss dey inside this our sentence. But if I change this thing to let's say how, then run them again. You shall say don't bring 20. Don't go find the index of where this thing starts. Make I Ctrl Z and run them again. Boss not dey. Say say show -1. Now so find method dey be. The another thing again we go look now. We will use if. We fit dey use if till the search inside strings. One thing I go understand is say string here na sequence of character. But we say sequence, mean say e dey iterable. Or we say iterable, e dey countable. You fit count through strings. I believe before the end of this tutorial, I explain that proof of that. We fit count through strings. You understand? You fit just find your way through inside every string. So let's take it for example now you see this this test. We have Oga items be now. So we can say if love not in test, print yes. Don't worry about this if we go do it later. You now go understand that better. But just to say we dey use this one until they find if a string, set of string they inside, you understand, inside the variable. We would not declare as string before. So we say if love in test, print yes. So if we run this code now, it print yes. If love not in, because a love not dey inside this test, it prints yes, it not dey. Or maybe I say we'll change this one to not in test. So if love not in test, print not in test. If we check this our test here like this now, love not dey. So it prints love not in test. You get the idea? So if we run another thing again, let's say we'll run another if. If Oga in test, print yes, Oga in test. So we'll run this thing again. So if print for the first one, love not in test. The second one, yes, Oga in test. Because why? It will search through this our test and it still say Oga dey inside. So it print our command. So now so if you use if till they check if something dey our string, our set of string we will not declare. The another thing we will look again na loop. Like I told you before, I say string na sequence of characters when you add together. So you feel loop through this thing. Let me change this back to test, because now test 9 go win a pass, 9 they close to us here. So I go copy this test again. Control C. Time for your move this here way. So we can say okay. For that sequence of character, each character wey dey inside test, one maybe say you print the character come out. If I run this say for us now, okay, shortcut my show on this one, shortcut to run this thing na control enter. So that in case I know they press this play and they run, me see and say okay, now shortcut I use. So you see say for this our answer now, you see say what you do. He print each word, each character rather, come outside for everything we did this oga. See, he print an O G A, then again he give our space, then again he print HOW. So it means we feel they bring every character when they inside test, the stuff come outside. So more go our last thing now. We won't find how many number of words dey inside sentence. So they give you a long test now, you won't find how many number of words inside. So if you say okay, sentence equals to una welcome to programming in Pidgin. To programming in Pidgin, una welcome to programming in Pidgin. Then we can say okay, we can split. Now that split now we can split this word like this. Again, we say they call split. This split now you go convert each word, each stuff like this. Anywhere we see space, it go split up. Anyway, we split, it go split, it go carry come up inside the string. It go put and call what they call list. We go talk list later. So we call split them by space. Then we call carry everything where they split by space. We put them for inside this variable, where we call LST. Then we call say okay, print the number of LST, the length. I don't tell on length. Say na length we they used to know how many character they inside string. So we call say print the length of this string come outside. So once we click on like this, of this list, down a list, it can tell us in 7. So if you count our word 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I say na 7 words now inside this sentence. So now this split now they help us the demarcate them, they divide them. Then everything we divide, they go put up inside this LST. Then we can carry the length of this LST. The answer can be 7. So now this one I will tell you know the number of words with inside a sentence. So now so it be my people. It is not hard. Now just small the calculator and the thinker. You understand? You could get them. So we will meet again for our next video and then we will talk more about many things on Python. But don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, and everything will be possible to make this channel grow. We will see you later now. Thank you.